Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and here's another love bite for you. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, while I was shuffling this card, just flipped over and sat here. So I decided to leave it here. I'm sure it has something to say. It's the Fool card, right? This could be a brand new beginning coming in for you. So I'm going to keep it here and see. Maybe it has to say something to the rest of our reading. So let's begin your reading now. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so 5 of Wands in reverse, 8 of Wands, the Sun card, beautiful, the Star, 3 of Wands, 3 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles, the Magician, and the 2 of Pentacles. Alright. So I think you're dropping some kind of a fight. I have the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe somebody didn't do right by you, maybe, and you kind of little mad at them, angry with them, never respected you, never gave you that kind of feeling that you are important or something in their life. I do somebody who's now looking out into the future, feeling my wishes haven't really come true here. I'm going to start now maybe seeing what else is out there. I don't know. Dropping something, that's for sure. Dropping a fight, dropping something, holding back, and manifesting something brand new. Oh, no wonder the Fool card is here. So what I'm going to do here, Capricorn, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, then I'll clarify all these cards. So Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. And I'll take a couple more from here. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. All right, Capricorn, let's start your reading and let's see what's going on here. The first card says, you talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, when your intentions don't match with your actions, I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. I realize I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself, what I must heal. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. I'm stuck in my pride and ego, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed at myself. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you. There are no words to explain the depth of my feelings. All right, Capricorn, let's start your reading, see what's going on here. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card to see how my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, blessings of abundance. Oh my God. Ask for a blessing, you get a blessing. Look at this. This is my favorite card in the entire deck. Blessings of abundance are a blessing for you, which are for you, Capricorn. All kinds of good things are headed your way. Don't worry about that. Whatever you've worked, very hard for, your ships are coming in. They're going to be laden with everything that you ever desired. This is one person who's put in a lot of work, been very patient, and waiting now, seeing those 3 ships almost there, coming towards with all kinds of gifts. All right, so let's start your reading. What's this 5 of Wands in reverse, Spirit? 5 of Wands in reverse. Somebody is kind of giving up the fight here, Capricorn. Somebody is giving up the fight, saying, hey, I'm losing that feeling of love now. There is no working together. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands. Yes, somebody is making a choice. Somebody is making a choice because they feel there's no point in returning back to a place which never invested in me. Nothing really grew here, nothing fruitified. It was such a waste of time. I'm upset, I'm angry, I haven't been able to make any forward progress with this person maybe. And now I don't even feel that passion or that love anymore. I'm kind of losing, my feelings here. So I'm making a choice, I'm making a decision to have some forward movement now in my life and be happy for me. Somebody feels, yes, this is an emotional time, yes, but somebody feels somebody kept too many secrets from them. Too much was hidden. So they've made a choice, made a decision maybe to move out and move towards new love, start interacting with new people here, find happiness elsewhere. What's this Sun card, Spirit? Sun card. Sun card. Somebody is wanting a fresh new beginning. Yes, somebody wants a fresh new beginning. They are wishing and hoping for happiness in their life. They feel this past person brought in too many conflicts, always abandoned them, left them feeling wanting, left them feeling abandoned, and they don't want to now overthink the situation. They want to get unstuck. This could be you, Capricorn, thinking this way. You feel this past person was always too immature and always brought in too much conflict. And yes, you want to move now towards your own happiness and your own wish fulfillment. You're feeling if, this was not built on solid ground, if we had no foundation here, then that means this really was not worth my time. If the structure has to fall, I think I should allow it to fall and maybe start, seeing what else is out there. Losing hope in this connection from what I see, this past connection. Star in reverse, Spirit. Yes, somebody feels there was no balance, there was no equal give and take. Nobody really put in any work towards this connection, offered no commitment here, and that's the reason of this decision to kind of leave it in the past and see, turning your back on this past person and now trying to see what else is out there. Yes, somebody doesn't want to deal with a player or somebody who's inconsistent anymore. They want to be in a place where there is no confusion, where they are the only cup that's going to be, valued. They want one cup and they want to be chosen as one cup and not be part of the 7 cups, which normally, Knight of Wands would deal with. So they feel, yes, I don't want to deal with a Knight of Wands. I don't want a Knight of Wands. I want to be with somebody who's going to choose me and choose me only. And if it's not going to happen here, then I'm going to turn my back and I'm going to move ahead to see what else is out there. They feel that's the best way that they can heal this heartbreak and this betrayal to their emotions. 3 of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, they feel everything is out in the open, secrets are out, I'm going to now release this toxicity from my life. I don't want anything which is, going to give me trouble. This has become a toxic pattern that I've got into with this person. I'm making my decision, I'm moving ahead, I'm going to heal my heart, I'm moving towards new love, and yes, I'm going to hold back now. Dropping, yes, no more being one of the two or one of many. So if what this person is saying, like Capricorn, I said, this could be you, saying that, hey, if you're going to keep me juggling, then I'll make the decision for you. From now on, I will hold back and I will drop the connection. So what's this Magician, Spirit? Magician. Magician. And the Two of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles. Yes, Capricorn, things are still in troubled waters, at least with this past person. I have a feeling somebody is now manifesting good fortune, good luck, and something new maybe, and getting unstuck and getting the Wheel of Fortune to start rolling again, which I think it is, because this card represents good luck, and the angels have already blessed you with blessings of abundance. I think somebody is finally realizing that maybe this was a false soulmate. This is not the one that I'm supposed to be with, and they're taking back their power, taking back control, thinking very logically that it's best that I drop this connection now, because it's been in the air for too long. They feel that person is very unemotional, not kind of being there in a connection, in love, the way they would want a partner to be, never offering them any kind of commitment, always bringing imbalance to this connection, never offering a brand new beginning or something stable. So I think somebody is feeling that I would rather move on for a fresh new beginning here and not go back to the past. And if that person can't make up their mind, then I'm going to make it for them. And that's the reason this card jumped out right in the beginning, Capricorn. Somebody is trying to, this could be you again, you could be wanting to jump off that cliff and say, my angels, catch me or teach me to fly, because I'm not going to stay stuck in a place which is never going to give to me. Okay? So yes, and you taking your power back is actually bringing you a lot of blessings from what I see. The angels are applauding the strength that you're gathering, and yes, good things are coming towards you. You've put in a lot of work, Capricorn, and all you have to do is now reap what you've already sowed. And I think they're all good things, right? So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.